The big ideas math just doesn't seem to give very difficult problems when you're using elimination, but I know the other textbooks do. So I went and found this problem in the homework assignment section, 5.3 in Algebra 1. So let me show you this one. You have two equations in standard form, you know, ax plus by equals c. And there are no opposites already there. You got the -2 and 3 and 5 and 11, -5 and 11. So you have to decide if you're using elimination, are you going to eliminate the x's or the y's? And you can do it many, many different ways. But when I'm looking at these, 2 and 3, if I could change those to a number that would be opposites, what I can do is think, well, what's the smallest number that they both go into? And it would be 6. They both go into 6. So I could make these a -6x and these a +6x, and that would work. To be able to make them 6's, I've got to multiply the top by 3. And if I multiply the top by 3, I've got to multiply everything on the top by 3. And for the bottom, to make it 6, I've got to multiply those by 2. So multiply by 2 every term. All right. So my new first equation becomes -6x minus 15y equals 27. And my new bottom equation becomes, let's see, I forgot to write negative, didn't I? The bottom equation becomes 6x plus 22y equals 8. All right, so I manipulated them so I could create opposites. So the 6x's now are eliminated, and I have -15y plus 22y, and I need to combine those. And when I do so, I get, let's see, subtract those, I'm going to get 7, +7y, equals 27 plus 8, which would be 35. And then I will divide by 7 and get 5. So I have half of the answer. I have my y, now I need my x. Now plug it into any one of those problems that you think looks the easiest. I think I like the bottom one better. So we're plugging the 5 into the y. It's 3x plus 11 times 5 equals 4. So that's 3x plus 55 equals 4. I multiplied those together. Subtract 55 from both sides. And you're left with 3x equals -51. Okay, then divide by 3. And x equals 3 goes into 51, 17, -17 times. So my solution would be -17, +5. Remember that the x is written before the y. And you could plug those back into the equations to check to make sure that they equal 9 and 4 when you use the solutions.